Hello, beautiful souls. It's day 5 of our journey together. Today, I'll be sharing some insights on how women with chronic conditions continue to thrive. Whether you're managing diabetes, arthritis, or lupus, remember, you're not alone. First, let's talk about the power of community. Connecting with others who understand your struggles can be incredibly empowering. I recently read about Selena Gomez, who has been open about her battle with lupus. She said, I want to be proactive and focus on maintaining my health and happiness. So seek out those connections. They can be life-changing. Next, focusing on small victories can make a big difference. Lady Gaga, who has been vocal about her struggle with fibromyalgia, shared that she celebrates every pain-free moment. She said, "It's those little wins that keep me going." Remember, it's okay to take it one step at a time. Now let's discuss the importance of self-care. Regularly setting aside time for yourself is not selfish, it's necessary. Priyanka Chopra, who has spoken about her struggles with asthma, finds solace in meditation. She said, "Meditation helps me reconnect with my body and mind. Find what brings you peace and make it a priority." Lastly, never underestimate the power of resilience. Women like you are the epitome of strength and grace. I recently read about Selma Blair, a vibrant woman living with multiple sclerosis. Her words stuck with me. "My condition does not define me, my spirit does." Keep that in mind. You are more than your diagnosis. Venus Williams, who battles Sjogren's disease, once said, "I refuse to be a victim of my condition. I will continue to fight and thrive." Thank you for joining me today. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment or therapy. Until next time, my friends.